Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're all having an amazing day. I've been shooting a ton of macro footage the last few months, but I've only been using the Canon 100mm macro lens. Yesterday, I decided to test and push my Canon EF 100 to 400mm IS II lens to its absolute limits. All the footage that I'll be showing you very shortly were shot at 400mm and at the minimum focusing distance of 98 centimeters, which is quite impressive. This provides you with a maximum magnification ratio of 0.31x. If I wanted to compare it to the new RF 100 to 500mm zoom telephoto lens, that one has a slightly better magnification ratio, only a very tiny advantage of 0.33x, but with that lens we would lose 2/3 stop of light. Also, the minimum focusing distance is increased to 1.2 meters at the 500mm focal length. The majority of the footage that I recorded was shot on a sturdy tripod, with the exception of a few clips where I decided to enable the optical image stabilization of this lens, which provides you with an impressive 4 stops of IS. In most instances, you can get away by using just the IS of this lens, even if you don't have in-body image stabilization. Anyway, I can highly recommend that you experiment shooting quasi macro footage with this lens, as the bokeh quality is absolutely exceptional and the overall sharpness is very impressive as well. Let's have a look at the footage that I recorded yesterday in the backyard. hope you enjoyed this little montage that I put together. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you are into nature photography. I have dedicated playlists for you for tutorials, for bird photography, macro photography, so feel free to check out those. Thanks again, and see you guys very soon in the next.